Updating your legal name with Emirates NBD in Switzerland is an important process that ensures your banking records are accurate. Follow these steps to complete the update efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change. This typically includes your current identification, legal name change certificate, and any other relevant paperwork. Step 2. Visit the Emirates NBD website. Go to the official Emirates NBD website. Look for the customer service or contact section to find information specific to name changes. Step 3. Contact customer service. Reach out to Emirates NBD customer service through the provided phone number or email. Explain that you need to update your legal name and ask for any specific instructions or forms required. Step 4. Complete required forms. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRUC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit your request. Submit your completed forms along with the required documents to the bank. This can often be done online, via email, or in person at a local branch. Confirm that your request has been received and ask for a timeline on when the update will be processed. Once you have completed these steps, keep an eye on your account to ensure the name change has been successfully updated. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to follow up with customer service.